Welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore the world of web development. Today's focus is on React, a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces. React was created by Facebook and is widely used by developers worldwide. One of the key benefits of using React is its component-based architecture. This allows for reusability and easier maintenance of code. React also uses a virtual DOM, which helps improve performance by only updating the necessary parts of the interface. Another advantage of React is its strong community support and a plethora of resources available online. Many companies, such as Airbnb and Netflix, use React in their web applications. Learning React is a valuable skill for both front-end and full-stack developers. React also offers tools like React Router for handling routing in single-page applications. Redux is often used in conjunction with React for state management. Building interactive user interfaces with React is intuitive and efficient. React's development tools, like React Developer Tools, make debugging and inspecting components a breeze. Styled components allow for styling React components with CSS and JS. React Native extends the capabilities of React to building mobile applications for iOS and Android. State and props are fundamental concepts in React for managing data and passing information between components. Hooks, introduced in React 16.8, provide a way to use state and other React features in functional components. UseEffect is a popular hook used for performing side effects in functional components. Context API enables passing data through the component tree without having to pass props down manually. React's one-way data flow simplifies the process of understanding how data changes in an application. The use of JSX in React allows for writing HTML-like code within JavaScript. React's ecosystem is continuously evolving with new libraries and tools being developed regularly. React's development is driven by a vibrant community and adheres to best practices in terms of performance and maintainability. Understanding the component lifecycle in React is crucial for building robust applications. Testing React components can be done with tools like Jest and Enzyme. React's documentation is well structured and provides comprehensive guidance on using the library.